Hi, my name is Gay from Spirit Walker Crystals, and today we're going to be looking at the Sherman Castelli deck and just showing you some of the imagery, because I know when you buy a set of cards, it's sometimes very difficult to know what you'd like to see. So we're just going to go through them very quickly just for you to see what some of the pictures are like. So for me, I kind of like the imagery on these. They're quite plain, and I like the colours in the yellow and the contrast between the blues. I'll just go through them quite quickly for you so you can see them. See if you're drawn to them as well. They are based on the Rider-Waite, so they'd be quite easy to read for beginners. And then we've got the Sun and the Hierophant. And the wands are mostly yellow colours, whereas the cups are quite blue and pale blue. They're not vivid, the colours, they're very, very gentle. But I kind of like that in the cards. We've got the Death card there. Three of Cups, Celebrations. Empress, Growth. Six of Wands, all about success. Fool. So we can go through them, just have a quick look. The Hermit. And for me, if you see upside down cards like I've got there, I just turn them up the other way. I don't think you need to read upside down cards. There's enough negative cards within the pack to make it evenly balanced without looking for more. Got the Justice, Emperor, Devil, the lovely Star card, of course, dipping her foot in the water there. Swords are more grey in colour, a bit darker. Going through them, the Queens, Wheel of Fortune, the Knights. So I hope that's given you an idea of what they look like. For me, I like this pack. I think they're easy to read, good for beginners. The back of them is nice and pink. And they come with a little book that gives you an idea of what all the cards mean. But if you want to learn the tarot, it's probably best not to look at the book, but to look at the imagery itself, or do a course. And if you're interested in learning the tarot, we do teach the tarot here at Spirit Walker. If you have a look in our online courses, you'll see that you can do them as a home study course. And we always provide lots of videos as well, so there's lots of help there. So there you go, it's the Sherman Castelli deck. Thank you for listening. My name is Gay from spiritwalkercrystalshop.co.uk.